Before we begin diving into the code, we want to get the tools and libraries that we need that will make our lives as programmers a lot easier. First of all, I'm assuming that you already have Python installed, but just to be on the safe side, I'm going to show you what version of Python I will be using in this course. I'm going to search for Python in Google, and that's obviously going to show python.org as the first result. And if I hover over this downloads menu bar, I'm offered two versions of Python, 3.4.1 and 2.7.8. Now, as mentioned in the previous video, I want the 3.4.1. Obviously, since I'm on Windows, it's offering me a Windows version of it. If you are using Linux or Mac OS, just make sure to get the 3.4.1. Also, a very important note is that you need to be using the 32-bit version of Python. So, make sure the Python version you have installed for this course is 32-bit Python 3.4.1. And secondly, and probably more importantly for this course, we need to download PyQt framework, or library, if you will. Let me Google PyQt. The first result that pops up is the Riverbank software. This is the company behind PyQt. If I hover over this software, go to PyQt, and select PyQt 4 download, it's going to take me to the PyQt 4 download page. Now, I'm using Windows, and anyone else who is using also Windows, you probably want to download one of the binary packages available. These are installers for Windows. If you're using a different operating system, as you can see here, there's a Linux and Mac OS source available as well. One important note is that we need to download the proper version of PyQt 4. As you can see, there are multiple versions right here, but remember, we're using a 32-bit of Python 3.4, and we want PyQt 4 that's based off Qt 4. So this is exactly the link we need. Once you have that installed, we're going to actually be using an IDE throughout this course. This IDE is cross-platform as well, so you can install it on any operating system. The name of the IDE is PyCharm. Let me Google PyCharm. PyCharm is an IDE made by the JetBrains, and this is the same company that makes IntelliJ IDEA, a very popular IDE when it comes to Java development. And if you're a web developer, you may have also heard of PHP Storm or WebStorm. That is also made by the JetBrains company. Now, if you go to the PyCharm website and hit the Get PyCharm Now, you're in for a good surprise. There's a community edition that is free to download and free to use that we'll be using throughout this course.